we talk about the big three: sleep, diet, and exercise in that order. But we also talk about stress. And typically, if you are anxious and you have a lot of stress going on in your lives or past trauma, typically, and you can expand on this, please, typically that's going to mess up your sleep. Whether you know it or not, you're probably not sleeping really well. Is that a true statement?
Absolutely. The nervous system runs the show. Ask any chiropractor and they will tell you if your spine isn't in alignment, if your head isn't sitting quite on the top of your spine like it should, if your pelvis is off, it's going to affect your nervous system. And that vagus nerve runs the show. People don't realize how directly connected our gut and our heart and our brain are. And when that vagus nerve is not happy, it's going to show in the whole body. Digestion is going to be off. Sleep is going to be off. Mood is going to be off. Systems are going to start giving you all kinds of red flags that you probably don't realize are even red flags until there's a health event, until the digestive system goes offline. Or for, this conversation that we're having today, when you start to hit perimenopause and these symptoms get a whole lot louder, you think it's related to the hormones, but it's most likely related to a whole lot of other things that happened in the last 30 years that you didn't realize were contributing factors, and you didn't realize were affecting you so significantly because, unfortunately, we get really good at ignoring our symptoms.
Right.